In today's video, I will be prepping my lunch for a few days. This meal is easy, healthy, and delicious, and I will also be prepping one of my go-to snacks that helps me reach my protein intake at the end of the day. So let's get started. One thing I enjoy about making this recipe is the fact that there is no limit to the amount of vegetables you can add to this dish. I try to add something new each time I make this recipe, and this is the perfect way to utilize those vegetables in your fridge that are going bad to minimize food waste. In this recipe, I am using two different types of ground turkey. One is 2% fat and the other is 7% fat. With this meal each day, I am going to add avocado slices to it. Obviously, I'm not going to do that now because it won't be fresh. Now, you can also eat this ground turkey with brown rice as I am. And I just used the leftover plantain that I had left with avocados, and bam, I had me a meal on the spot. Got hitting. And this ain't even with the sweet potato. This is just with the brown rice. You just can't go wrong with a plantain. Like, I'm sorry. I'm telling you, this is it. Try it. If you do try this, please let me know. This is off the chain. Now for my snack, I am making a Bahamian tuna salad. If you've ever had tuna salad like this, please let me know in the comments section. Gold pepper is a must, but because I don't have any gold pepper, I have to use Scotch bonnet. And I only like to use lemons in my tuna salad, but I'm low on lemons, so I have to use limes as well. You can eat tuna salad with grits, rice, on bread as a sandwich, with crackers, or you can eat it by itself. And this is how I'm able to reach my protein intake at the end of the day. Please let me know your favorite go-to meal prep in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.